Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's been so long. I think it's been like 6 months since I've made any video. I've been slacking so bad and I just want to get back to it. So today's video is gonna be kind of different. I've done this once before. I've dyed my eyebrows and my eyelashes once. So now it's like kind of faded on my eyebrows, but my eyelashes are still kind of, you can see them. So my natural eyelashes are like really, really blonde. I mean, you can kind of see like when I don't have makeup on, but it's just, I'd rather have some color to my eyelashes and my eyebrows. I mean, my eyebrows do have color, but they don't really match my hair as well, so that's why I dye them. So this is what it looks like. It's called Instant Eyebrow Tint. It's medium brown. So I use medium brown for my eyebrow pencils anyway, so I was like, maybe it'll be fine. It's a good color, it's just you have to be careful how much you put on. So let me show you what it looks like inside. You're gonna get a little kit like this. So it comes with a little card and it tells you, it tells you where to put the actual stuff. And here's like the actual dye and the adhesive in these packages. So there's number 1 and then number 2. You're just gonna break them apart. And from last time, I learned that you don't need the whole thing for everything. You can use like half and then use the other half for like next month. It did last like a month for me. Don't mind my skin, it's literally peeling right now because I got a chemical peel the other day and it's just, don't look at it. Okay. So the next step is you're gonna need a few Q-tips. I have these really long ones. I think they work easier because you can get in better with the longer sticks. But then it does come with this applicator. I used it at first, but it didn't really help that much. I don't know, it's alright. The first one, which is the number 1 packet, and we're just gonna open it. And it's gonna be like a dye. So you can see the dye's like right there. And I'm only gonna put a little bit onto the card, which says number 1 right there. So we're just gonna squeeze like maybe that much, that's it. And then the rest I'm gonna like put away and save number 2 packet. And you're gonna put the number 2 packet on the number 2 circle. First thing that I like to do is I like to take my eyebrow pencil with the little spoolie and I just like to brush out my hairs just so I can like see what I'm doing and they're not all a mess. Okay. So the next step is you're gonna take number 1, which is the color, and you're gonna use your Q-tip and you're gonna just dip it in and you're gonna start applying the color to your eyebrows and where you want it. So I'm gonna start like towards the middle and like near the end with a little bit more color than the front, because the last time I did this I added too much color to the front and they just looked really like too dark. So you're just gonna lightly blend in the color. A few makeup wipes, because that's what I use to rub off. You're gonna have to rub off the color after you're done applying it. This eyebrow is pretty much like done, and as you can see, it's like literally now matching my hair. I'm just gonna do the other eyebrow now. Okay, so now that it's pretty much on there, I'm just gonna take my makeup wipe and I'm gonna start wiping it off. The next step is we're gonna take the adhesive and put it onto the eyebrows so it can show up. And I like to just brush it all out just so there's nothing there, and they're gonna go back to like how they looked before you put this on. So that's completely normal. I'm gonna take my eyebrow brush again and just spoolie them out. So the next step is the scary part, so just slow and steady. So we're gonna take the adhesive, which is this orangey color right here, and I'm gonna take a little tiny bit and put it on my Q-tip. And then you're gonna want to do each eyebrow separate. So I'm gonna have my makeup wipe ready here so I can quickly rub it off if it gets too dark. So I'm gonna start at the ends and work my way to the front. And a little tiny bit in the front, just add that. So now this is like basically how I want it. I'm gonna start to rub it off. And now you can see that the color is staying there. And then you can just start spooling it out. So then I'm gonna take my tissue again and just keep drying it off and making sure that everything is out of my eyebrows. So now you can like see the difference between this eyebrow and this eyebrow. And it pretty much almost matches my hair better than like how light it is. Okay, so we're gonna do the same thing for the other eye now. And I'm gonna just use a clean Q-tip because I don't wanna use the same one that I used on that one. That's pretty much what your eyebrows are gonna look like. So moving on to my eyelashes. Basically gonna do the same exact thing with the Q-tips. I'm gonna throw my old ones away that I just used on my eyebrows and my makeup wipe and my tissue because I don't want it all to mix together. So I'm gonna open a new makeup wipe, get a new tissue because we're gonna do the same exact thing. And we're gonna take our color, the brown, and we're gonna just work it into our eyelashes. So you're just gonna work it into your eyelashes. So that's what it's gonna look like. It just looks like you have mascara on. I'm just gonna let that sit while I do the other eye now. You're gonna take your makeup wipe again, and you're just gonna go in between your lashes and just wipe it off. Okay, so I'm gonna take a little bit of the adhesive and just start doing the same thing and working it into my eyelashes. I'm gonna take my makeup wipe again, and I'm just gonna start taking this off. Okay, so now you guys can like see that it looks like I have like a little bit of mascara on. So that's good. Okay guys, so this is what it looks like after I'm done dyeing my eyebrows and my eyelashes. You can kind of see that they have color now and I don't look dead. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And I hoped it helped if you are first time dyeing your eyebrows or your eyelashes at all. This brand, I looked it up, is very safe. Like I said, I like how there's natural dyes and it's from plants and it's not any like chemical-y things, because these are very like sensitive areas and you don't want any of that falling out. So if you like more of these videos, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, and I will be making so many more videos this year. I'm really excited. I have so many ideas. And yeah, so I hope to see you guys in my next video.